What's up, guys? This is going to be a part 2 of the 2MA and engulfing candle. So what this is going to do is, let's just pull up the strategy that we made in the other video real quick. Come on. So here we have the strategy, 50-20. Yep, that looks. Apply, enable. So now, right now our TP is 10 ticks and our stop loss is 10 ticks. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to make the stop loss below the low of the engulfing pattern. And the TP is going to be a risk to reward value. So if it's 1 RR, it'll be somewhere here, 2 here, 3 there. And then we'll make that work for both buys and sells. So to start, I think it'll probably be easiest. Just get the code from the first strategy. We're going to create a new strategy, name it SMA Engulfing V2, and then generate. So now we have this new strategy. What we're going to do is we're going to take the old one from last video. You can do Control A, Control C. That'll copy the entire thing. Then come to the new strategy, do Control A. Just press Control C. So copy it, Control A, Control C, copy it. Then Control A, Control V. That will fit the whole new strategy into the old strategy into the new strategy. Then to make sure we don't get errors, you need to come to here, public class, and this is the name of it. We need to change the names or else it will think it's the same and we'll get issues. So we want to do V2, then come here and also do V2. Then we should be able to compile it. And there we go. So now we have the two of the exact same strategies in the same code in two separate strategies. So what we're going to do is we're going to open Visual Studio again. We don't need this. And now we're just going to leave our old strategy and only edit the new one. So here's the V2. And so you can see it's the exact same code. So now we're going to add one input parameter, which is going to be RR. So this will choose how big the take profit and stop loss depending on or how big the take profit is depending on the stop loss. So the risk reward basically. So we no longer need these. And so it's going to be different for buys and sells, obviously. So first, for buys, we need to let's open up this again. Didn't save, but so we have our bullish engulfing. It's possible that this could have a wick and this one, and we want to take the low. But it could also be that this candle has a longer one, and then we still want to take this low. So what we're going to do is we're going to go double stop loss price equals math dot min, and then we can put in the two values. So it's going to be low of candle 1 and low candle 0. So that should give us the low of whichever candle. Then we're going to set set stop loss, calculation mode dot price, SL price. And that should set the stop loss, and yeah. So that's pretty easy. Then we're gonna come down and do the exact same thing for sells. Double stop loss price equals math.max, because it's gonna be opposite direction. High 1, high 0, and then set stop loss calculation dot price dot stop loss price. So now our stop loss are set. All right, so now we have our stop loss set. We're gonna go into how to create where the TP is gonna be based off the risk reward. So to do that, first we need to calculate the size of the stop loss. So we're gonna do double stop loss size equals is gonna be close 0 minus the stop loss price. So this will just get us the points. So we're gonna do divided by instrument dot master dot tick size. So this will get us the size of the stop loss in ticks. Now we're gonna multiply that by RR for our TV. And so TP, this should actually tell TP in ticks. Then from there, set profit target, calculation mode dot ticks, TP in ticks. Now same thing down here. Double TP in ticks is going to be stop loss price is going to be higher number. So stop loss price minus close 0 divided by, yep, and parentheses times RR. So let's double check that. This candle. Here's stop loss price minus close 0. That gives us the size of this. Then we convert it into ticks. And then we multiply by RR. So yeah, that looks right. So let's set profit target. Calculation mode dot ticks. TP and ticks. So let's compile this and test if it's working. Let's also set the default RR to 2. This would be 2. This is the V1. So let's go to strategies. Move this one. Let's open up V2. RR, let's set to 2 for now. Apply, okay. And enable. So that should have taken a trade. But let's see what's going on. So buy. So here's the engulfing, buy, stop loss. Yep, so stop loss is working there. buy, stop loss is here. Yep. Engulfing, buy. Profit target is 1 to 2. Let's test that. Ruler. So stop loss would have been minus 10.25. So it should be 20.5. So the TP. So enter. And there we go. I was off by what, but yeah. So looks like the 1 to 2 is working. Okay. Oh, and so the reason we don't get any more trades here is because we're still in a position here. And you can also tell that by this is being yellow. That means we're in a position. If it's green, that means we're not in any position. So what I can do is I can show how it would actually be. So right now we have stop loss. This is the engulfing. So we have a stop loss here. It goes on for a while. And then our TP is, let's try this thing. Is this 1 to, yeah, it looks like 1 to 2, right? First reward, 1 to 2. Okay, yeah. So our TP is here. So now what we can do is we can play. And once it reaches here or here, we should see it close position and this will turn green. So let's speed it up a little. And there we go.
Order target
Sorry,
filled.
off a little bit, but
Order submitted. Stop. Order submit. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Stop filled. Order. Stop filled. Order stop filled. Order submitted. Target filled. Order submitted.
Yeah.
Order. Stop filled. Stop. Order submit. Target filled. Order submitted.
Definitely a lot of things we can do with this.
Stop filled.
One thing I would help is making sure
Order submitted. Target filled. Or stop filled.
Increasing in volume.
Order submitted.
Also, this trend, I mean, is it
order submitted.
filled?
Stop filled. Or stop filled.
I mean, even just from this,
or target filled.
We are still making money, and this is the 1 minute,
Order submitted.
no back testing. So definitely a lot of
stop filled.
Potential
Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted.
And so, yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything else you want done with this strategy. You can add more.
Order filled.
Or if there's any other strategy you want me to make a video on. And so, yeah, thanks for watching.